Well, tokika is a brand new wine that we are producing. The 2021 vintage is our first vintage of tokika. And it's a very exciting wine because we have taken many of our best individual wine components and made this special blend called tokika, and then barrel aged it for an additional year as compared to all of our other wines. So this wine has spent almost 30 months in barrels, whereas our other red wines spend about 20 months in barrels. Tokika is a lovely wine, and the benefit of barrel aging for an extended period of time is the wine has a chance to further micro-oxidize. So when you age wine in barrels, it slowly oxidizes and develops flavor, softens, the tannins become more dissolved and approachable and drinkable. And we really enjoy also the oak benefit. The oak that we choose for this wine, tokika, is our top barrels that are made from the best French oak that you can buy. And what makes that French oak so special is it's extremely tight grained, and each individual part of that barrel is chosen and selected to be part of this special barrel production. So we put tokika into these very special barrels and hopefully produce a very special wine.